My name is Bikshuni Lozang Trinley, PhD, Master's in Education and Bachelor's of Science in Physics. I did the education master's degree at Harvard Graduate School of Education. For me to be in Europe, professionally teaching in Europe, is really something I'm very happy to do. There are certain stereotypes that we hear as international people when we come to Estonia. Estonians are quite reserved and very introverted. This is not really quite true. They want you to develop an authentic relationship. Once you have that established, there's nothing they will not speak about and joke about. It's sometimes the case that people may not want to communicate publicly in front of a lot of other people, where they might want to engage with you in great detail if you were having a more private conversation, one-on-one. So just because a student is not necessarily engaging, you should not assume that that's because they want to be working independently. For example, a student who is just fresh out of high school, they may not necessarily have a lot of self-discipline for independent work. And so we can't assume that they're going to be able to structure their time in their calendar, and some of them, this is their first time of living away from home. I always try to reach out to students and coach them and always affirm that they should contact me. I usually take at least the first class meeting of my courses to really introduce and orient students in academic work, coming out of sciences and physics, where theory and experiment are in a very dialectical role with each other. So I bring that to my coursework and my teaching. So last semester, I taught 2 courses related to Buddhism, and I gave students an option to do translation projects. I would welcome all international scholars, to welcome them to look at Estonia closely and really seriously consider to come to Estonia. It always defies stereotypes, and whatever we may think that Estonia is falling into a particular stereotype, you can always meet example of the contrary to that.